a tour of our humble home. This is one of the houses in our home in the rural village in Chogoria in Kenya. Today we are doing a tour of inside our houses, one of the houses. And this is a simple house which has 2 bedrooms. And it is very simple. So you come into this beautiful living room with beautiful chandelier on top and beautiful spotlights on the side and a kitchen on the other side with a bar and stools, and you can switch on and on this beautiful light. And so here we are seeing a very, very nice living room, simple and very much space around it. And you come into this cozy, comfy leather lounge, which is a 7-seater, where you rest after your day outside in the mountains or in the forest or wherever you've been. And so here we are with this little place that we call our home. And on the curtains, we have these beautiful blackout curtains. Blackout curtains means that you can actually close those curtains and sleep and it will look like night. And this is what it is. So you can see our beautiful chandelier light just on top and the other lights on the sides. And here we're looking at elegance, simplicity, serenity, and beauty all in one. That's what we have combined in this humble home of ours. It's very little and manageable because I think it's good to have a place that you can keep clean, be able to renovate and to maintain. And it's a home for just our retirement when we come back home from abroad. And we assume that we will only be 2 people living there, with maybe our grandchildren coming to visit. But otherwise, it's just enough for 2 people. So we've kept our colors very neutral. And we have just gray as our color. Light gray is our color theme in the whole house and in the whole building. And so here we are in this beautiful home. And from the comfort of your sofa, you can actually look outside and enjoy the breeze from the outside. And it's really very beautiful. Let's watch and see how it looks. And we come to the kitchen area where we have a water dispenser here, and you can put it on and actually cook some water so that you can have your coffee with it. And here we have a double sink where you can wash and rinse your dishes on the other side. And we have a tap that has both hot and cold water. So you are able to wash your dishes with hot water. And a nice drying rack there that you can actually place your dishes so that they dry. And then we have a beautiful tablecloth, and we have a fridge. The fridge has both a freezer and a fridge. So you're actually able to come with your food and keep it here and just feel like you're in your home, wherever you are from the US, from Europe, Japan, Australia, from Africa. And here you could put a whole goat and you just enjoy it. And you'll be able to cook here, or you can also roast it outside in our roasting place. We have a barbecue area that you can roast your meat. And so here you can make your breakfast, you can toast your bread, cook your water for your tea or your coffee. You can warm your food if you come late and you don't feel like cooking. You can just put it in the micro and it will be good. And here we have a gas stove with 3 burners and 1 is electric. And inside is an electric oven. And so here we have the extra cupboards. And on the side here we have our universal socket. This means that anybody from any part of the world can plug in their gadgets and they work. So forget those days when you forgot those adapters and you really could not use your gadgets when you came to Kenya. It has just happened to me many times. Now you don't have to think about it in our rural village here in Kenya because we've got it all for you. There you have some coffee to relax and you just brew it there by yourself. If you don't like coffee, we also have some instant coffee, which you can actually just pour in the cup and hot water and you're good to go. Those who don't drink coffee, we have some tea also. So here we have some tea bags that are very, very good. Pure Kenyan coffee or pure Kenyan tea, which is very tasty. We have some oil there that you could just make some eggs for your breakfast. And up here we have a blender that you can blend your fruits. Here we have all the things that you need for your meals. Spoons, knives, everything that you need to make a meal. You're really at home in this humble house of ours. And here we can, you can cook your chapatis. You'll be able to make your ugali and you'll be very much at home. And also here we have enough plates for everybody. You can have 4 people and you can bring in your guests. And then we have more mixing bowls, for your chapati or whatever you're going to do, and some plastic plates for kids. In case you have small kids, they can have their sweets or anything in them. And then here we have our glasses, we have the cups, we even have wine glasses, so you can actually chill in the balcony with your glass of wine. We also have a place where you can sit up outside in a parasol. You can just actually bask there with your wine and feel at home in the rural village. Here we are in the rural village in Kenya. You can have a pan there and all what you need for your kitchen aid. And so this is a very relaxing place and you will feel very much at home. We have cooking pots, very nice cooking pots that you can use to make your meals and you will feel very much at home. So those are very beautiful pots that we have, and we have more of that so that you can clean your vegetables or your fruits and you are much at home. This is our elegant, beautiful, simple home. And all our hot water comes from this tank. So this is a beautiful German water heater that we've imported from Sweden. And it's what cooks for water. This is what cooks the water in our house. And so we love it very much because it doesn't actually take so much electricity. Once you put it on for 15 minutes, the water in that tank after 15 minutes will be able to stay hot and be used for 24 hours. So it's very, 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 very good and very energy saving. You actually don't feel the electricity cost because of that. And so here we are. So this is our humble, elegant, serene, beautiful, simple home. And here you can go to the back of the house and actually just chill. It's a small veranda out there. It's a bit locked now, so I can't go out. And so here in the kitchen, you can see we have this beautiful chandelier also that makes it very elegant. And on the side, we have the bar where you can actually sit with your friends as you cook, and they sit there and have a drink or eat their food. And those beautiful downlights on the kitchen bar, the 3 downlights that are very, very cute. You can actually put them off or put them on as you wish. And so it's very, very nice. So as you can see, we've kept the colors very, very neutral. No much color, just our light gray and white, and the black where we need it. And so here we are. Watch. We now look into our bathroom. It's actually just a very, very simple bathroom. This is usually how they build bathrooms in Kenya, usually very small. I wish they were a bit bigger, of course, but you actually don't get to know it's this small until it's too late. So it's quite small, but it's okay. And so we have a rain shower there, which is very good, and a lot of pressure in the water, no problem. And there's hot water, like I said. And of course, it's just a bathroom with a mirror and a toilet and a sink. And this hand wash basin also has hot water coming out. So you can switch it to the left or to the right. The blue one is the cold and the red one is the hot. So you're able to actually use cold or hot water from this hand wash basin. You must be wondering why you would need so much hot water in Africa, but this place, like I said, is in the rural village in Kenya, in a place called Chogoria, which is actually on the mountain. It's on the foot of Mount Kenya. You can climb Mount Kenya from here. This is an Airbnb that you could come and sleep. You could come and stay there if you plan to go and climb Mount Kenya. And so it's usually very cold. So like today in July, it's very, very cold, and you actually need hot water, whether to wash your hands, to clean your dishes, to take a shower. Hot water is one of the things that we really need here. And that's why you see we have so much hot water everywhere. So this is our beautiful rain shower. This is our beautiful shower curtain that we brought from Sweden. And we use this curtain rod that you actually don't have to drill the walls, because it sucks. It's a suction. So it sucks on the walls. And you can use it on any width of a bathroom, twice as this, because you just pull them apart and they suck on the walls and they attach themselves, and you can remove them when you want. And you can push them up or down depending on the length of your curtain. So this is our shower curtain, which is a nylon curtain, which doesn't allow water to come on the side of the toilet, so that it's much easier for you to just shower and walk out and go away and enjoy your day without thinking of cleaning the floors or having wet floors near the toilet. So this is beautiful. And this bathroom is very well tiled. These people who built this place are very, very clever, very good. You can see the tiling is very neat. They're all straight and very neat and very nice. And here we also have gray. So everything is gray. It's light gray or dark gray or just a shade of gray, but everything is gray in color. And in that way, we are able to have something elegant and nice looking. So we have white also on our doors and on any other part. And this is beautiful. So all this is actually done by one merchant who has built the whole estate. And here we are. This is our bathroom number 2, because this place is 2-bedroom house and each has its own bathroom. So they're en suite. So if you come alone, or you come with friends, or you come with a family, you don't have to share the bathrooms. And so this again also has the same type of rain shower, which is very, very good. And it looks exactly like the other one. Everything just looks the same. Then we have some white basins that you can wash your little, inner clothes if you want to wash and hang it here for the evening. But we have a laundry house.